Okay, so now here I am. I'm solving for a side in a right triangle using trig ratios. Let's see if I can get this thing going here. I have to be really careful, but I'm going to try to do it. So here I have one angle that I know, which is angle B. They're asking me to solve for the length of AC. AC, right? So from angle B, I can look and I see this AC is opposite, right? This is always the hypotenuse because it's opposite angle C. Opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So here's my opposite side. That makes this side my adjacent side. So if I can use the information I have two pieces of information, I can find the third. So I have the angle, an unknown side, and then I have this adjacent side, opposite and adjacent. So which function is opposite adjacent? Well, that turns out to be tangent. So what I could do is let's write this out first. I would write, let's see. Let me just try writing it out and see what happens. So if I were to say, I'm going to use the tangent function, so T-A-N, and I want to take the tangent of 25, and say that it's equal to the ratio of opposite, which is the unknown side, AC, over the adjacent, which is 5. So now, in a calculator that has, computer algebra system, I can just put a solve command in and solve for x. But what if I don't have that? Well, I could multiply both sides by 5, and I would end up with x is equal to 5 times the tangent, right? 5, there's a times the tangent of 20. Oh boy, I can tell it's not very neat trying to write on the screen like this. I'm sorry about that, but 5 times the tangent of 25. And they've got a calculator built in right here, so I'm going to use that. If I go 5 times the tangent of 25, and I need it to be degrees. Right? Did I make that degrees? I don't know which way is degrees. I'm going to switch that. I think that's going to probably be degrees. And I'll hit equals. So that's telling me 2.33. I think that's probably right. And so I'm going to put that in. Now, what it says for me to do is it says round to the nearest hundredth. So my hundredth is right here, right, after 2 decimal points. This is the tenths, rather, and this is the hundredths, right there, that second 3. So I look at this thousandth place, 1, and it tells me I need to round down. In other words, I'm going to keep this 2.33. I do not round it up. 2.33. So that's what I'm going to put for my answer in here. Put in 2.33 and hit check. Okay, so that's how that work is done, and I'll have you go ahead and get as many of those done as you can. Get them all right.